Alright guys, what's going on? In today's video, we're gonna stab the engine back in. I got kind of everything put together, put the back cat on, some other miscellaneous things that I forgot to tell you guys. But I guess let's just get into it. I hope it goes in pretty smooth. And caught on the exhaust. In case you guys are wondering what I'm doing, I'm putting a bolt in because I can't quite get the motor to tilt enough to get it to line up with the alignment pins with the transmission, kind of squeeze it together. So I'm hoping putting a bolt in will kind of help it pivot as I go down, and hopefully it'll just line up perfect and just push it in, bolt it up, get this son of a gun done. guys, there you go. I got it bolted to the transmission. Let's put all the bell housing bolts in and start putting all the stuff on, I guess. Alright, I got the side motor mount on, so I'm going to take the cherry picker off, pull all the jacks and stuff out from under the van so I can put the rest of the bell housing bolts in. Alright guys, so I got everything underneath hooked up. I figured you guys didn't want to watch me rolling around on the ground for 10 minutes, so I figured I'd get the exhaust done. I got all the back sensors hooked up. What else? What did I get done? Oh, the CV axle intermediate shaft for the passenger side. And I believe that's it. But I figured I'd let you guys watch me put the front end back together. I mean, it's almost there anyways, but put the rest of the exhaust on the front, all the wiring, put the intake back on, all that good stuff. So let's get to it. guys, this is what I've been using. It's a Craftsman digital torque wrench. I like it. It wasn't too bad on price. That's what I use to torque everything that I did on this motor. Alright guys, as you guys can see, this is the end of the video. Don't leave yet. The motor's in, completely hooked up. I just gotta put like the radiator, the condenser, tranny cooler, all that stuff in. That'll probably be another video, just to kind of finish it up, and then at the end of that one, hopefully it'll run. But that's it, it's all in, it's all hooked up. I'm gonna go ahead and put the coolers in, but that'll be in the next video for you guys. So, hope you guys like the video. Please like, comment, subscribe. And watch the end of the video so you can see the products, my merch, whatever it is you want to call it. But please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching.